I'm sending love to my lovely boos.
Who's Naomi? Why are you sending her hearts?
You don't know who that is? Jenny?
Kent Naomi? Die komt met mijn corazon bij Naomi. Wantra smayere.
Je snapt het niet, hè?
Nee. Explain.
See you later, Jenny.
Explain! My cheeks will look a little bit rounder today. These cheeks though. Not other cheeks, you know.
Yo me llamo Tarzán y la gente me dice ¿cómo es?
El rey de la selva.
Jane es perfecta gracias a sus raíces. ¿Sabes cómo es?
El rey de la selva.
Ando con mis leones cazando los ciervos. ¿Cómo es?
El rey de la selva.
Yo soy jefe de leones a cerdo. ¿Cómo es?
El rey de la selva.
Aló Tarzán, soy el mero pero
Hey amiga, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is actually gonna be a vlog. I am going to meet my friend Deurys that I have met online. I've never met her in person, so today is gonna be the first day that I see her, you know? We are basically just gonna spend some time here in Antwerp. Also, she is vegan, so today is going to be quite a challenge. I looked up some places to show her and I thought, like, why not get ready, because I know I'm going to be talking a lot to her and try to spend a lot of time with her, so I might not be able to vlog as good as I normally do. So just in case, I wanted to do like a little get ready with me so that we have like spend enough time together, you know, so that I can have the time for Deurys when I see her. I'm gonna try and show you the products that I've been using lately, and yeah, basically my favorite hook you up with the makeup, you know. Lately I've been loving these two foundations. This is the Fenty one. You probably know this one already, but this is one from Primark. What I like to do is just mix these two together and then just apply it to my face. So yeah, I'm really excited to meet Deurys. I think she is such a sweet person. You can see it like in her videos, and I have a feeling that she's gonna be like pretty much the same as in her videos, so that's pretty exciting, I think. Yeah, for concealer I've been really loving the Fenty Beauty one. I'm in the shade 350. What I do is like one stripe here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one there, and one there. But yeah, I've been loving this concealer for a while now. Like, I love it. Then next I like to set my under eyes. For that I'm going to be using the Banana Dreams setting powder from W7. Oh, and to set it I've been liking these like little pads from Primark. They're like €1 or something and you get like 2. And they are so good to set you like your under eye, like the loose powders and stuff. So I do need to hurry up a little bit because she will be at the station at 11:15, so don't want to let her wait, you know, so I gotta make sure that I'm on time. Hi Benny.
What's up? Je bent weer bezig te filmen.
Ja, ik ben bezig te filmen.
Ta filma. Hey. Ta filma.
And I take my powder brush and I brush everything off. Or I powder it off, you know. Then for eyebrows, I'm gonna use some soap. Basically just spritz my soap with some setting spray. You wanna make sure that you use like a clear soap. That gives you the best result. Otherwise you will have like the white residue in your eyebrows. And then I just comb my eyebrows up and shape them how I want them. Where are you sending so much hearts to?
I'm sending love to my lovely boos.
Who's Naomi? Why are you sending her hearts?
You don't know who that is?
Who is that?
Jenny?
Kent Naomi? Die komt met mijn corazon bij Naomi.
Kijk waarom.
Asuku trobi bankuru fidemiteri. Tegi in ik a verwer wantra smayere. Cause Naomi is Sosolobi?
Ja. Je snapt het niet, hè?
Nee. Explain.
See you later, Jenny.
Explain! And then what I like to do is just flick in some hairs. Like do like a few little lines, like randomly place them, fill up the areas where I don't have as much hair. And for eyeshadow, I recently got this in another vlog, but this is the W7 Socialite palette. I take the color Classy, and I just swipe that. I start in the crease. Oh my god, this looks crazy already. And then I take the color Polished, and I just bring that on to the eyelid itself. I'm also doing some blush, and actually I'd like to do it more up, but I already placed it wrong. But it's fine. My cheeks will look a little bit rounder today. These cheeks though, not other cheeks, you know. Then for highlighter, I like this Fenty Beauty highlighter. This thing is so old. I need to get a new one. Anyways, just applying that to the highest point of my cheek, on the point of my nose, here, here, and on my cupid's bow. I also like a little bit of color in my inner tear ducts. So for that, I'm gonna be using the color Extravagance, this color. And I'm gonna put that in my inner tear duct like this. Ooh, that's cute. Love that. I'm not gonna do too much because it's easy to get carried away with this. Here. And then last but not least, I like the Prep and Prime facial spray, and I just set my face with this. By the way, this is Prep and Prime from Primark, okay? It's the same as the normal Prep and Prime from MAC, but for way cheaper. For €4 to be exact. Yeah, I put a little alarm so that I can hurry up. Alright, amiga. I'm gonna finish getting ready, and I'll see you at the bus stop when I'm done, when I'm dressed. I'll show you my outfit also. I'll try to do it, but I might have to do that later when I'm already with Deurys, okay? I am at the central station waiting for Deurys. I already got in trouble for sitting somewhere and not wearing a mask while I was drinking my coffee. I'm like, how else am I supposed to drink my coffee? Anyways, but I'm wearing my mask right now, and I'm sitting at the platform waiting for Deurys. So hopefully she will be here soon. Look, I know. You're so I'm so short. You're so short. I'm very short. Oh, how are you? Oh, how are you? I'm very good. Oh, yay! We will have to wear the mask for the entire. Not the entire day, but like here in the station we have to wear it. Okay. I already got in trouble today. I was sitting drinking my coffee and this man just came like, can you wear your mask? I was like, how am I supposed to drink my coffee like that?
Yeah, exactly.
And he was like, yeah, I just want you to wear your mask. I'm like, I'm not, no danger to anybody. So in the station,
You were alone, right?
yeah, I was alone.
Wow.
There was nobody near me, anything.
They're definitely more strict here than
Yes,
in the
they are.
Netherlands.
They are. When you go into stores, you need to wear it. When there's no social distancing possible, you need to wear it.
Yeah.
But you are allowed to just not have it on when you're just walking or whatever.
Well,
Should be fine.
should be fine.
Yes.
This is a very beautiful station.
It is.
My sister really wants to see the station, so
Aw.
she's gonna enjoy this vlog.
Yeah, I already like made a whole bunch of B-rolls and things. So,
Okay.
hi sis, if you're watching this.
Her name is Annie.
Hi Annie. I'm here with your sis today.
Yes.
I'm her little
Let
guide.
me put the over my nose before they tell me.
Yeah, yeah, they're up there, right there. So yeah.
Look at this.
So nice to see you with a camera. 'Cause I'm always the only one. And
Oh,
always,
I don't care.
oh my god, I want to be like
I
that.
don't care.
Most of the time, I'm like, oh my god. But
Yeah.
I eventually.
Otherwise, I won't have footage. So
I know.
I don't care.
I know. Hey, let me show you my outfit of the day, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So, what am I wearing again?
Okay, what is the sweater? Yeah.
The blazer is from H&M.
Okay.
Then this hoodie, got it like recently.
Okay.
Also from H&M.
Okay.
Very cheap. Very
Okay.
cute. Leggings are Zalando.
Okay.
Then
It's like leather-achtig, right?
Yes.
Ooh, I love it.
pants, and then
We need to like turn a little bit for the lighting.
oh yes,
Okay, so leather, yeah.
yes,
And shoes are.
pants.
Ooh, love it. And the back details, gorgeous.
Louis.
You love it.
Very
and the
old.
mask is
Cheap.
ruining the look.
She takes good pictures. Yes. We have both cameras, so we're like.
Okay, but I
love
love
this
this station. My sister would love this station.
Sister, you need to come, honey.
You need to come.
Where is she right now?
This is Canada.
Canada.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's planning on coming soon, so let's hope it's
That
gonna
is
work
the
out.
real situation.
Yes.
Canada.
Canada.
That is
That
where.
would be somewhere nice to vlog, right?
Oh my God, that's where I want to be. I'm walking towards you.
Girl, you're so hot like summer, and I don't wanna walk undercover. You give me feels you do, no one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer, you're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels you do, no one can do it like you. No one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer. Girl, you're so hot like summer.
With a mask on. Isn't it? It's actually how do you say that? A home decor store. But I just love their garden. I always come in here and right? I love the green and the plants. Amiga, we're now going to the market. I haven't been here in forever. I'm happy to see that the market still exists, even though Rona, you know, but yes, I'm happy to see that the market is still here. So yes. Oh, here they have good food too. And vegan, I think, yeah. So falafel and those type of things.
Yeah.
Maybe when we're done at the market.
So this is here every Saturday, the market
Every
here.
Saturday, yes. And Sunday.
Saturdays and Sundays.
Yes.
That's great too.
Yeah.
Someone
Delicious.
waved at my camera. Included.
That would be included, yeah.
Yeah. That's very nice.
Oh my god, it's such a beautiful day.
I think
I'm not mad at
I
this.
think the weather gods was like, you know what, Deurys and Jennyfer are meeting.
Yes.
Let's give them a day.
Yes.
Because it was supposed to be raining, and look at this.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Gorgeous. It's gorgeous.
Since we are two sunny ladies, he was
Yes.
like, yes.
To
Can't
tropical
let these,
beige.
yeah. Can't give these queens rain.
To tropical beige.
Oh my god, look at all the flowers!
Yeah. Something else to learn about her too, that's love.
Yes.
Danny, if you're watching this, she likes
Yes, he hates me for it. He hates me for it.
flowers.
So pretty! Oh my gosh! That's my favorite one. The hortensia, hydrogena or something. Amiga, we're now at the market still. We're gonna have like a little snack at the market. Deurys bought us some Lebanese bread. Yeah, Lebanese breads with falafel and hummus. So excited to see. And we also got a little smoothie from the cute little smoothie place. So yeah, bon appetit! Ooh, look at that, amigs. So good. That tastes good.
It's really good.
Right?
You know, you want to eat something or it's really good. But I like it. Either way, we are now at
NYA. Yeah.
And she needs to do a couple of shopping, and I'm not mad at that.
No.
So you know what we're gonna do.
Yeah, so we're gonna go into
So,
NYX.
Yeah, let's see what in their hand. Hey guys, you guys party.
I think you heard what she said, but we're gonna go into NYX. Less talking for me. Don't think you guys mind that. So we're gonna go in there. I want to try the new foundation, not the foundation, the concealer. I heard a lot of good things about it, so I want to try it. And since we're here, we might as well. It started raining. Hopefully that will stop because ain't nobody asked for that. But let's go into NYX.
Lunes, yo me llamo Tarzán y la gente me dice cómo es.
El rey de la selva,
Jane es perfecta gracias a sus raíces. ¿Sabes cómo es?
el rey de la selva,
Ando con mis leones cazando los ciervos. ¿Cómo es?
el rey de la selva,
Yo soy jefe de leones a cerdo. ¿Cómo es?
el rey de la selva,
A los Tarzán, soy el mero pero haters no faltan. Yo le echo los leones y ya está. Yo soy
el rey de la selva,
orangután y Superman. Yo mando
now at Moy, and we also been to NYX, so I got a few goodies. I wanted to try their new concealer, so I got that. And it's now we're just gonna have some pancakes and maybe a little coffee or something. And what else was I saying? I forgot. And people are looking at me, so I forgot what I was saying. Shit, I wanted to say something. Oh yeah, that Deurys is currently touching up in the powder room, so she will be back soon. And yeah, that's it. Thank you. Thank you, Del. Ooh, the food, the food. Look at that. Ooh, yes, girl. That looks amazing. I'm excited. Yes, me too. Amiga, food is here. Look at it. It's just so pretty. Like, I don't even want to eat it. It's so pretty. It's beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful. We're back outside. We finished our little waffles, and now we're gonna I'm gonna show her some more of Antwerp. So yeah, we're now standing at Groenplaats in front of this church right here. So we're gonna take some pictures.
We've been on and off again and again.
You were walking.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, beautiful.
You like them?
Mm-hmm. I'm a tourist in my own city.
Yeah.
Yes. Let me do it for you now.
What it's like to feel your skin, I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign.
Dit is de grote markt.
You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go.
Okay, amiga, we're now at the cafe. Of course, I had to bring Deurys here. How do you like it?
Do anything.
So I had to bring Deurys. We're having latte with marshmallow because we're trying to be vegan today. Or I'm trying. She's vegan. She's not trying. She is vegan. I'm trying. But so far I like it. Yeah, I like it.
I'm happy that you like it.
Yeah, it's good. Y'all have seen me here so many times, so I don't think I need to do a whole situation on here.
Where do we go from here? I wanna go all
Number
in.
2, look at this.
So give me a sign.
Are you having a good time, Deurys?
I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks.
Are we
could
surprised?
take things slow.
Are we surprised? No, right?
Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in.
Alright, amiga, we're back at the station. I'm here with Deurys,
La Morena.
La Morenita. And we're gonna close the vlog because she is going home now. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to Deurys. I'll put her link in the description box down below so you can check her out. Go support her. Go follow. She is sweet. You are just exactly the same as in your vlog.
You too.
Yeah, so that's
You too.
huge compliment.
We clicked.
Yes,
connect.
I have a new
It
sis.
feels like I met her in my core life or something.
Yeah.
It just felt like we reconnected after like few years. It was nice.
Yes, I really loved it today. Yeah, so I'm happy. I'm happy. And she's a very good photographer. So
Oh my god, we're like picture besties.
yes, we both take good pictures of each other.
We will
So,
show you.
Yes. Anyways, follow us on Instagram as well. I'll link that in the description box also. And yes, I'll hope to see you soon in another adventure.
Subscribe to her channel.
And to hers. Bye, amiga.
Rather just lock myself indoors. I'm righteous, this virus